Carasso.
And I'm Dr. Jeremy Davis,
and we are your DC Academic Consultants. So now we got to the point, the really fun point of our dissertation process. And this is how to survive the dissertation process. What is it? The fifth part.
I believe so.
Yeah,
part five.
Yeah. So in this part, we're really going to talk a little bit about chapter 5. This is the most fun part of the whole dissertation. Why, Jeremy?
Well, in chapter 5, this is where you finally, you went through 4 chapters of just being so objective, no bias, and now you get to discuss your opinion, but you have to do it academically and you have to be objective about doing it. So it is easy to do, it just takes practice and it takes time. So when you're doing this, you want to discuss everything that you found, but you want to back it up using your research and the data that you found. When you are talking about whatever your opinion may be, as long as you back it up by research, then you're good. What you can't say is I, because it's then no longer academic writing. But if you can just back up everything that you said with the research that you found, then you will be good to go.
Also, do not forget that in this chapter, we're not only doing the synopsis of all the information that we gathered and we analyze it academically as much as we can. We also go back to our first chapter where we had our assumptions. And now in chapter 5, we really want to see if everything that we thought through our process, through our research questions, really is happening, is true, or sometimes not true. But this is the most fun part, as Dr. Davis said. This is the place when you can really express your opinion, and that's amazing because this is where you get the stamp of you being a scholarly student.
And then the last thing is probably the most important thing, and that is discussing what you've learned. And so your chapter 5 is your summary, discussions, and conclusions. So in conclusion section, this is where you're talking about recommended research for the future. This is where you're actually closing out everything that you've discussed. So it's important to reflect on what you actually learned and how does that apply to the scholarly world, the scholarly research. What does future research look like on your topic? How can your topic improve, etc., etc. So all of that goes into your chapter 5.
And one more thing, one little thing is when you're writing everything that you learn, also you need to think about how you think people will perceive your research. You have to really put some ideas about how your research can be continued by others. That's really crucial things because you can use it in our next topic, which is going to be the presentation defense, but we're not going to talk about it now. Shh.
So again, thank y'all for tuning in. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. All of that stuff. You can follow us on all social medias, yes. Anything, Instagram, etc., etc. I'm going to have a link to our link tree so that you can get there easily. Also, if you're ever in need of services, DC Academic Consultants is here for you. Also, in the link tree, you're going to be able to reach us on our website. However you want to get a hold of us, you can. So just make sure that you like the video, share, help us with our algorithm so we can get noticed and get seen by everybody. So as we close this out, we want to say happy holidays from our team. Enjoy your family, enjoy your time, and we'll see you in the next video.
Don't say you didn't see us. We're on all socials. Thank you. Bye.